Okay, so question 1 says a flight path must be plotted to stay an equal distance between Exeter and Bristol Airport. Draw this flight path. Well, we've now got our Geogebra file brought up and opened. We can clearly see Exeter, the little blue node there is Exeter, and the little J node there is Bristol. And we want a flight path that is always an equal distance between these two nodes. The first thing to ask yourself then is, well, what is the construction I'm being asked for here? And I'm hoping you'll be able to identify this is going to be a perpendicular bisector. So first job to do here is to join the two airports together using a line. So the third option across here, segment between 2 points. I'm going to connect both Exeter and Bristol. Now what I need to do now is to bisect that, and you know from your compass construction, so what I need to do is I need to draw myself an arc around Exeter greater than halfway, and the same thing around Bristol. So I'm going to use the compass tool up here. Okay, so that is the 6th one along, and you see here a little arrow there. I can pull down lots of different options. What I'm going to do here is click on the top one, circle with center through point. And the center of my first circle will be at Exeter, and I'm going to click greater than halfway. I'm going to click about there. To get a circle that is exactly the same size, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the selector tool. I'm actually going to copy and paste this one. So select the circle. You can see now it's much bolder now. You can use the shortcuts if you want to, but I'm going to show you using the edit menu. I'm going to copy or Control C. I'm then going to paste, Control V. You can see now I've got exactly the same circle again, and I'm going to place the center of this circle on top of Bristol. You can see it highlights Bristol there. Click, and I have my two circles creating the arc, and I have my two intersections. And you remember to bisect this line of Exeter to Bristol, I must connect the two intersecting points. Now what we've got to do with Geogebra to be able to do this is we have to say where those arcs actually intersect. We're going to have to put what's called a node on them. And we do this by using the second menu here and clicking on intersect of two objects. And what we're going to do here, you see, as I place it on top of one of the circles, it becomes bold. As I come down to where they both cross over, they both go bold. And I just click, and that point U there creates me the point of intersection. I can do the same here at the other arc. Two are now bold. I can click. I've now got that point there. Now I've got those 2 points, I can draw a line that connects them. So just as we did at the beginning, this time we don't want it to just be between the 2 points. We want it to extend through the rest of our drawing. So we want a line through the 2 points, connect U and V, and there we have in that bold line the possible flight path between Exeter and Bristol.